Peace on Earth. Ethan Indigo Smith here. I wanted to share just briefly, vocally, a little bit about my book, The Geometry of Energy, How to Meditate. I was driving across the country sharing ideas from my other books when I came across the idea for The Geometry of Energy. One, as I was researching and meditating on the idea, and writing out the concept, which at first I thought would just be a little article transformed into the book. I realized that one of the oldest ways to measure subtle energy and one of the oldest esoteric metaphysical devices is the tarot. And the tarot cards are based on four suits and or four types, and that's swords, sticks, coins or pentacles, and cups. And my idea for the geometry of energy stems from the four dimensions of geometry: points, lines, planes, and solids. And this corresponds with the tarot exactly and subtly and specifically. The tarot is the swords represent the point. The lines, the staffs represent the lines. And the coins represent planes, which are circle planes, and the cups represent the volume or solids, which are spherical. And so one of the oldest ways to demonstrate subtle energy is through the tarot cards, which are based on, really not so abstractly, the four dimensions of geometry. So take what you will from the tarot and people that utilize the tarot. The point is that it's based on swords and points, wands or staffs and lines, and pentacles, planes, and fourthly, the cups being the solids. And so the geometry of energy, my book, illustrates a way to meditate and a way to understand meditation so that later on you can learn all meditation, and also secondarily a way to perceive, conceive, and conceptualize energy, not necessarily utilizing the tarot, but the four dimensions of the geometry that correspond with the tarot. So I just wanted to demonstrate just that, share that vocally. The geometry of energy is a way to conceive subtle energy utilizing geometry. And the reason why geometry is so important is possibly due to this fundamental. So just like Plato's schools of metaphysics would say, let none ignorant of geometry enter. It's kind of like the basis to proceed, right? So peace on earth. I hope this is informative and helps you understand what my book is about and energy in total. Peace.